Hello guys, welcome to all of you. Hope you guys are doing well. So today we are going to see how to create a data set into the NLP model. So let's start. So if you see here, our first step, that is go to the Google platform on the web, and second, that is go to the natural language processing. So let's start with this. So this is my Google Cloud platform. So if you see at the top left corner, just click on the menu and you will get all the options related to cloud platform. So if you can see here, we have the billing, API services, support system, admin, security. So if you go down in the artificial intelligence, you will find the option that is the natural language. So just click on the natural language. So after clicking on the natural language, we will get two options. That is, the first one is the select project and the another is the create project. So here today we are going to create a new project, so that's why we are going to click on the create project. So just click on the create project, and here you have to give your project name and organization. So put organization as it is and just hit on create. Now after creating a project, we will get three options. That is, first one is the AutoML text and document classification, then AutoML sentiment analysis, and third one is the AutoML entity extraction. So for every NLP model, we have same procedure for creating a dataset. So let's take one of this model. So I'm going to create now the AutoML text and document classification. So click on the get started. If you see here, we have the options, that is the create dataset. So click on the new dataset. For every project we have to create a new dataset. So give a name, and after that put a location global as it is. So if you see here, we have the two options for the classification. First one is the single label classification and the second one is the multiple level classification. So here we are going to use the multiple tags, so that is the reason we are going to select the multi-label classification. So click on the radio button, that is the multi-label classification, and hit on create dataset. So after creating dataset, we have to import some input files. For example, we have to import some CSV file or the text file or the PDF file from your computer or from your cloud storage also. So here I am going to upload my CSV file from my computer. So that is the reason I am going to select the upload CSV file from your computer and select on select files. So this is my Excel. So let me show you. Here I have the header, that is the text, and the tag. So here I have two columns. The first, there are multiple sentences, and here I have defined the tags. This process is related to hotel management. So click on the select, then open this text classification.csv file, and if you go down here, you will find the destination on cloud. So remember, here we have to create a cloud storage. Okay, so just click on the browse. Here we have to create the buckets. Buckets is nothing but whichever data we are going to import into our cloud system, it will be stored into one of the bucket. So click on the create bucket. So give the name text classification. Here remember, whenever you want to give any new name to the bucket, only it will take the lowercase letters. So create. So if you see here, my text classification bucket is created. So now it is totally blank. So select this and just import whichever data you are going to upload. So this processing will take minimum 20 to 25 minutes, so no need to worry about it. If you see here also, it will give a message like this can take a several minutes or more. So just wait. After uploading, automatically will send you the mail, and also here it will show you whatever data is present. So if you see here, all the data is uploaded on the cloud. So remember one thing, for every NLP model, for the text classification, for the sentiment classification, or for the entity classification, we have the same procedure for creating a data set. So thank you so much guys.